Alright, here we are with the ceiling fan. And I think that some of the helium's going out of these fans, of the balloons, so they're more readily being pulled into the ceiling fan. Levi has a small box fan on the floor pushing the balloons around. This orange star seems to really be getting into a pretty good pattern here. Oh, and it went over into the corner. Let's see if I can make it come back through, and then we'll get a spin down. Come on, Mr. Orange Balloon. We'll have a spin. Okay, here we go for a spin down now. Was on high. I use the switch to turn it off. You're talking about the balloon on the fan outside on the porch here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're talking about the balloon. Okay, and there it goes. Thank you, Orange Balloon and Ceiling Fan. Open now, even though the fan has had a spin down, now it's just spinning because of the box fan on the floor. It's kind of got a little dance going. The orange balloon tries to fall to the floor, and then the box fan blows it back up. And then it's just going to have a nice slow spin because of whooping back up again. That box fan is making some nice slow entertainment for Levi and me. Okay. Have a great evening.